Assalamu alaikum everyone. After a few days later, I have come back with my new another vlog video. So it will be a political update. So now today I will discuss about the latest development of Middle East conflict. So, as far as I know, the latest news is the Donald Trump says actually he threatened their alliance like Japan and Australia. So because of Japan, Australia, they have rejected US demand because US demand to get help from their military, from their power in Strait of Hormuz, because this route already has closed by Iran. So we all know uh, uh, one fifth trade are going on this use this route, water route. So that's why Strait of Hormuz gateway is very important for the world trade. So but in and we understand this war not is under control, is out of control, is out of control now of Donald Trump. So that's why Donald Trump needs help from their alliance. But the interesting fact is, in this moment, his alliance not response to the Trump. So this is concern for only Trump and Netanyahu. This is the only way this is the last way to get something from their alliance. And as a result, Donald Trump, as a result, America threatened Australia and Japan, also China. So we know China and U.S. relation is not good enough, but in this situation, Donald Trump has bound to discuss about this help in this war, So all the scenario we can understand, that is this war is out of control, of Donald Trump. They were thinking another way, but in this moment it is happening another way. So and also from starting this war, Iran says Iran is saying they are not interested for any kind of contract to close this war or ceasefire. So actually, they are not interested for ceasefire, and already they mention three big condition, and you all know the condition is the war will be closed permanently, and it will be never it will be never ever threatened from their side, America and Israel, anymore. And another condition is, actually I forgot already. So okay, so and this is the update. This is the update. It's I think, but and also Israel says they don't have enough interceptor for protect from Iranian missile in this moment. As a result, US moved their interceptor or air defense system from South Korea. So this is the concern for South Korea, because on the other hand, North Korea is testing their new weapon or missiles again and again. So and also it's happening. It is happening in this moment. So this is the concern for South Korea and also their alliance, like US and also Israel. And so now let's see what happened some time later. And also we heard US are interested to deploy their military for ground operation. Already there are some, actually I don't know what is the number, but some there actually what is the call, they are a special force. It kind of special force. So they are ready for ground operation in Iran. So they already have start their journey from worship. So I hope few days later it will be clear, the ground operation will happening or not. So let's see and wait and let's see. So I think and pray for Iran, also Lebanon and Gaza. So and the latest, not latest, for few days we are hearing news of death. We are hearing about news of death of Netanyahu, because he don't come in front of camera, in front of media. So that's why all the world are thinking Netanyahu is dead. Netanyahu is attacked by Iranian missile. After attacked Iranian missile, he is dead. But Israel government, they publish new video of Netanyahu. They were trying to prove Netanyahu is alive, but after publishing their video, it makes controversy a lot because netizens are claim that video was created by AI, artificial intelligence, and it seems to AI because of Netanyahu's in this video we saw in this video we saw Netanyahu has six finger, both sometimes it's showing six finger on both hand. So it's actually we don't know what is the truth. I think it will be clear after a few days later, today or tomorrow. It will be clear, inshallah. And please pray for everyone. Pray. We may Allah give a solution from this war, and it will be ceasefire as soon as possible. And also we keep hope, we keep believe the Israel will be destroyed as soon as possible, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum everyone.